let's talk landscape maintenance and what you can do on a daily, weekly, monthly, and annual basis to help preserve a long-lasting landscape. On a daily basis, we don't ask you to do much. Just be aware and alert of your surroundings. Look for wilting trees or wilting plants, irrigation leaks, floods, excess water. Just be aware of what's going on, and that's all we really ask. On a weekly basis, we just ask for a walk of the property. Those are times that you clean up your leaves and debris, you mow the grass, you look for any weeds, weed control, things like that. Weekly basis is pretty simple. Sometimes we recommend a landscape maintenance company that can stay on track come every single week. That's really the best way to maintain a proper landscape. On a monthly basis, it gets a little bit more complicated. It takes a little bit more time, but with the right service company, these guys can handle it for you. So we ask for an overall check of your irrigation system, proper coverage on your lawn pop-ups, and that your drip emitters are working properly. Next, we ask that you verify proper run times of your irrigation system and the frequency, and know the season. This might require an adjustment of your irrigation run times. We ask for you to check your lighting system, make sure the lamps are good, make sure the fixtures are straight, that it's coming on at the proper times that are set. Next, when it comes to pruning and cleaning up trees and plants, that can be done on a monthly basis. And then obviously any overall debris, leaf cleanup, weeds, things like that. This is also a good time to hose off your patios and wipe down your countertops, things like that. On a seasonal basis, this is the beginning of winter, spring, fall, and summer. We ask that you check and adjust the irrigation control timer for the proper season. Go ahead if you have questions on that. We do send you recommended watering times for each of the seasons. Secondly, on a seasonal basis, it's a great time for fertilizer. Spring and fall for fertilizer, and as much as 4 times a year for trees and plants with the proper fertilizer. Annually, we ask that you thoroughly check any of the pool systems if we've installed the swimming pool, and maybe an overview of your irrigation system. Make sure the valves are operating properly. Typically, trees are pruned on an annual basis. As your trees start to become bigger, you might want to source a tree service company or a tree trimming company to get some of the higher branches to prune and thin out some of the tree from inside.